Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove table grid line from Microsoft Word documents. So I will show you the step-by-step process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we have that table in Microsoft Word, you can see. Okay, so let me zoom in. Okay, this is my table. So if you want to hide this line or table line, so you can simply select that table. You need to just click on this icon, then table will be select like this. Now come to the table design here. Okay, and here under the border just click this down arrow and select no border. Okay, but you can see still there is a grid line. Okay, so it is actually when you print it, if I go to the print, okay, so here there is a no any grid line. So while when you print this page, that grid line will be not showing on or not will be not print on the page. Okay, this is for only that that where is a sale. Okay, like this. Okay, but still if you don't want this grid line also, then you can remove it. Just select that table, go to the table design, under the border just go to the view grid line, just disable it. Now you can see there is the grid line and that table line will be has been gone. And you can, if you want to know where is the sale, so you simply select by zooming anywhere you want and you can select that sale. Okay, but if you want this grid line again, then select again here, go to the table design and just enable it. Okay, so now you can simply know where is your sale and you can simply select sale data and edit it or type into the sale. Okay, this is for only you, it is. Okay, but if you want to, if you go to the print, so you can see there is no line, it is without line table. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.